Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to report gas prices Waze. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, guys, once you are here on the Waze application, as you can see, you will have an option over here, the report icon, which will be the yellow icon with the plus triangle. So go ahead and tap on that. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here. What do you see? And you will have gas prices over here. So go ahead and tap on the gas prices over here and it will automatically search the nearby station that you're currently in. So guys, do this if you have or nearby gas station to have a better result. And now just simply go ahead and select the gas station that you want to update the prices with. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and provide the diesel number over here. And as you can see, my currency is PHP. So let's say I'm gonna go for 59 and the premium one will be 58. So pretty much updating the prices over here will let other users as well have the information. So this will really help out others as well. So pretty much from here, once you have provided all of the necessary information needed, you should be able to just simply select confirm prices. And after that, you should be able to report gas prices on Waze. So remember, you can do this from nearby gas station at least within 500 meters, or best way is directly at the gas station to help other drivers find the cheapest fuel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.